What's up, fams? Welcome back to the channel, and shout out to the notification gang, and if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, because this is what we do, and we do it daily. So hit that sub button. So we got to talk about this one, fams. Now, X has a lot of cases hanging over his head, man. And listen, this situation is not looking good. There's a bunch of he say, she say stuff going on. But at the end of the day, it's going to be all about what that judge believes. And Geneva, his ex-girlfriend, she is still testifying against him in a case where X has been charged with battery of a pregnant woman, false imprisonment, domestic battery, strangulation, and witness tampering. So he has a bunch of charges over his head. And if he's convicted of these charges, he's going to be gone for a long time, man. And that's just what it is. So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys what Geneva had to say, who was his ex-girlfriend, who filed these charges on him. A bunch of excerpts from this case has been released when she testified at the police department. The court case is going to be moving forward in a matter of weeks, and X is going to be testifying in front of a judge. Now, I'm going to make sure for you guys that I cover this case through in and throughout. This is going to be pretty serious. Now, this is one of the situations that she is alleging that happened, and she's going to be testifying this in front of a judge. She complimented one of their friends on his jewelry. Now, she's saying that X got really upset about that, right? He got so upset that, and must I remind you guys, this is her testimony. This is her side. She's stating that from that, he got so upset, he grabbed her iPhone 6 and bust her over the head with it. The situation has stopped there. She's also alleging that he made her choose between two things to shove inside of her. He asked her, did she want a barbecue fork, or did she want one of those barbecue cleaner tools shoved inside of her? And he made her choose. Now, she decided the fork, but she's also saying that he told her to undress, and he was rubbing the fork, I guess, against her inner thigh, she says. He didn't stick it inside of her, but she passed out from that. The last part, a lot of old school X fans, they know very well. Now, of course, there's two sides to the situation. And on her side, she says that while X was in jail at one point for another case, an assault case, okay, she was cheating on him with another guy. Now, when he got out, she had discovered that she was pregnant. Now, at this point, this is when X went out to the balcony. He ended up calling this guy that she cheated with. He came back in. He was hitting her upside her head, hitting her in the stomach. He was elbowing her, headbutting her. And things even went so far that he told her that he was going to take the life of her unborn kid and her as well. He shoved her in the bathtub, and I'm guessing he was pushing her under the water. Now, this is all what she is saying in this transcript. Now, she was so badly bruised that when the roommates came home, they made her put on sunglasses. She had to put on a hoodie, and they took her to another location where she says that she was held for 2 days. She was at this location. She wasn't allowed to leave. But then at one point, she ended up tricking everyone by saying she was going to the refrigerator. She escaped. She called her ex-boyfriend, and he took her to the police station. X version of this last event that I just explained to you guys, he's saying, look, I didn't do anything to her. She was jumped by someone else, and that's why her face was looking like that. It had nothing to do with me. And like I've done this whole video, I'm not here to tell you guys who's right or wrong in this story. I'm just here to tell you guys what he and she are saying in this situation. More information will be released, and if you guys want me to continue to cover this court case, make sure you guys smash the like button on this video. X is going to be in court very soon, man. In a matter of weeks, he's going to be testifying in front of a judge. This is a very serious thing, and if he's convicted, X may be gone for a very long time. time. Okay, this is DomisLive. You guys have a great day. Be safe out there. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe.